Hey guys, Lek here. I want to do a quick short video to the point about doing grout when you tile. Not gonna waste your time, just quick few pointers. I'm not a pro, but this is an easy task anybody can do. So after you finish doing all your tiling, you gotta get all this junk out of here. There's a couple tools you can use. This is a removal tool for that purpose. This has like a diamond tip blade, and basically you just get it in the cracks and scraping out any excess cement from tiling. And then obviously vacuum this, sweep this, wipe the floor so it's clean. Another tool, this is like a multi-tool. You can use this on an angle tool as well. Get this stuff out. So that's that, getting it prepped. When it comes to grouting themselves, whatever grout you buy, directions are in the back. Basically, you're mixing water with the grout. Get a good paste-like consistency. You don't want to have it too liquidy, but also too thick. If anything, go more liquidy. One quick tip is, don't put too much water at the beginning. Start with the cement, add water little by little. Unless you're doing the whole bag, then it tells you exactly how much water to use with the whole bag. But you want to use just as much as you're going to be able to cover in 30 minutes. So if it's the first time you're doing it, definitely go half a bag maybe. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to actually apply the grout after you mix it. Alright guys, so once you get your mix ready, we're going to pour some out here and start working. As you see, we did some of the floor already. You're going to need a bucket with some sponges for cleanup as well. And you need basically this tool. It's like a rubber style trowel. This is for applying grout. We're going to pour some out right now. I'll show you guys a quick small section. You're doing as much as you can cover in 30 minutes. But if it's liquidy, you got a little more time. 45-degree angle. And all you're doing is spreading it into the cracks. Just basically...
Lola, get out of here.
Shoving it in there. Lola, go. And you're just going right into the cracks on an angle. And you're doing this all the way around. There's really no way to mess this up. But if you get a good angle, it's what you're going to get in there. You can go each side like this. Clean up the excess. Keep working, keep using the same grout. And as you see, we're getting pretty good. Clean up the excess now. We're gonna wait about 10-20 minutes. I think it says 30 on the bag, but honestly, if you wait 10-20 minutes, I'm gonna get a wet sponge and wipe off this excess. I'm just gonna get this excess out. So less to sponge up. And now, since this is liquidy, I'll probably wait 20-30 minutes and then I'll show you guys how to sponge it up. If your consistency was a little on the thicker side, maybe just wait like 10 minutes and wipe it up, because it will be tough to get off. But you definitely want to get this excess off, otherwise clean up later will be a pain. So I'll show you guys in a second. We gave it about 10-15 minutes or so. Now we're just wiping it up. And you're basically just removing the excess. You don't have to worry about messing up the lines. The cool thing is, if you have little holes or something somewhere, you basically use that extra cement and just rub it in there. And when you wipe it up, you want to do a nice glide over the line to give a nice clean finish. Then once we do this, after 2 hours, this is going to basically dry and you're going to have like a haze over this. So you got to use a cheesecloth or this sponge wrung out, the rougher side, just to remove all that. If you let this sit for a couple of days, it's going to be really hard to remove. So as you see, it's already looking nice. We're going to finish this. Like I said, do the lines. Then 3 days, get yourself some grout sealer. And this is a really easy one to use. It's not a spray bottle, but a disposable one. And you just run it right through all the lines. Seal it. You do a couple rounds of that as per the directions. And you're basically done. Your floor will be finished and you're all good to go. Guys, if you have any questions, comments below, please give us a thumbs up. Please give me a follow. We got more videos like this coming. I also have a quick tip video on the tiling itself. If you want to check on the link below, you can check that out. And yeah, thanks guys.